Kaden.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you going to do today?
We're going to smash the junk Trifo.
We're going to smash a junky Trifo? Oh. We've given Kaden permission to trash his Trifo because it never works.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
That's the question.
I'm ready.
All right, you going to throw it down?
Yeah, are you ready?
Off the deck.
Do countdown.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go. Okay, that was pretty uneventful.
It didn't do anything.
We'll be right back from this angle.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Watch out.
Huh.
Let me see.
Still nothing. Try number 3. Go.
Now I gotta do it with the lid on.
Okay. Wow, this thing's tough as nails. Okay, let's try again. Oh. It landed on the cement post,
We're not here.
but still nothing is breaking. Go ahead and try again. Do not try this at home, kids.
Yeah, do not try this at home. Okay, so do not try this at home if you drop a Trifo off the deck. Do not let it.
Okay.
Do not fall down yet. We're just doing it because it's broken, right?
Yep.
Ready?
Go.
With the lid up. Oh, still nothing.
Still nothing.
Put it back up here.
Okay.
Put it back up here. I'm going to smash it with a hammer.
Oh no. Well then come down here to do it. No, come down here.
Foot down.
Okay. And then come down here.
I take the glass on. I'm being very sick.
You have safety glasses on.
Sick.
Oh my goodness.
Smash out of here.
It's indestructible.
Let's try to throw it.
Nope.
Let me drop it. Gosh. Look at that.
It's got scratches.
Yeah, I'm going to do the lid up. What super fun.
Gosh. Huh.
This thing is really hard.
Indestructible. Wow. Oh my goodness. Poor Trifo. We couldn't get this vacuum to work, so. Oh man.
Gosh, this thing is big now.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think this thing's gonna break.
Let's smash it.
Whoa! Yikes!
Oh my gosh!
Now he's only allowed to break this. He's not allowed to break anything
that
else.
thing will go.
But he's been asking for
I'm gonna pretend
a week
it's
or so
working.
if he can
I'm
do
gonna
this.
pretend it's working. Okay.
Okay, pretend it's working.
I've smashed a bit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh look, you can see I see a piece slipping off. See right there?
Yep. Oh, it's cracking, you mean?
I see it cracked. Poor Trifo.
Yeah.
Doesn't even work. Can't use it anymore. I'm gonna throw it off the deck.
We never use it in the first place.
gonna
It
fold it off the
came to
deck.
us broken. We
I'm
couldn't
gonna throw it off the
couldn't
deck.
fix it.
Now you put the robot up there,
Okay.
and I'll go up there.
All right.
You don't need the dustbin in it, though.
Okay.
Put it up there.
Go ahead. Yay. Well, I think that's it. I don't think it's going to break into pieces like you were hoping.
I might try again.
Be super careful.
There's a bug right there.
A bug?
There was. We jumped down.
It's a little high, but... All right, there you go.
Now it's a hammer. Yeah.
Over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, now you're getting the dustbin?
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Look at it. Take the damage. And that's you will break this rifle. I'm gonna try to drop my hammer on this thing.
I don't think that's going to work.
Here, put
Drop the hammer on?
Dustbin to put it in. There's no thing in it. And this piece is like broken. Smash that piece.
Oh, you got to be careful with doing that, bub. It could bounce right back at you.
The bumper's starting to come off.
The bumper? Oh. Oh, wow. You got a piece, huh? We'll get to see the inside without having to unscrew it.
Look at it.
Maybe.
Wow! That's what. Oh my gosh! I took the
Use the
bubble.
back of the hammer and pry it off.
Lumber.
Kaden, use...
Wait. Using the back. That ties at home. Oh my god.
Oh, whoa.
That's how you break a trifle.
Guess so.
I'm gonna drop it from up here again. Up there.
Okay.
You drop the trifle up.
Okay.
Bring it up. And I need to put the dustbin in.
All right, you can do it when you get... Whoa, it almost fell. Go ahead. Here, give me the dustbin.
Right up there. I'll put the dustbin in. And wow.
What?
Oh, this is really broke.
I'm gonna throw it on here. Ow!
Just wait. Wait until I calm down.
Okay. I was thinking I'd throw it on that cement piece right there.
I will.
Okay. Oh, the brush cage and everything.
And that's how you break a Trifo.
All right, say bye.
Not yet.
Oh, you're just gonna keep tossing it around? All right, say bye, Kaden.